Hi, this is Joseph from Sandmaster Germany. I'm here with Adam from Countrywide and Matt from XTC, and we're gonna demonstrate today the HDR200, our rejuvenation machine for rubber surfaces. This is our rejuvenation machine of rubber surfaces or any hard surface that is flat. What we have here is we have in the front the washing deck with rotating spinning arms that you can see here. These arms have nozzles on them, creating very high pressure, around 200 bars, and a lot of water. The cleaning result is always a result of the amount of water and the pressure of the amount of the water. So high pressure, a lot of water, good cleaning result. Now if we just wash, we wouldn't do much more different than power washing it with a hose. But this machine has also a very strong turbine. This turbine creates suction that takes all the dirt. We create under pressure in the washing deck, take all the dirt up. After it's loosened up with a high pressure washer, we take the dirt up out of the pores and suck it into the wastewater compartment. So that's the concept of the cleaning here. We have the washing process and we have the suction process. So after we have washed everything loose, we suck it out of the surface and store the dirt in this compartment, which is the wastewater tank. From time to time, we have to let the wastewater go. So that means we open that valve and have somewhere a drain spot where the customer wants us to drain the water. The machine runs on petrol. It's very low emission rates according to Californian standards. We need water flow. So that means somewhere in the area we need a water connection. The machine cleans with water, so that means we need a water flow. It's self-driven. It's driven with a remote control, which is in the hand of the operator normally. Or here we have a remote control. With this remote control we can control all functions of the machine, whether it's the suction or the pressure of the pump or the speed of the driving left and right, lifting the head up and down, and so on. What we want to achieve with our rejuvenation process is that the pores get open again. The water can drain right through the pores, and I'll show you the difference here between the cleaned area and the non-cleaned area about the drainage. You can clearly see on the cleaned area the water is gone in seconds. On the non-cleaned surface the water remains on the surface. If there's water on the surface, you have algae and moss growth. The wetter, the more humid it is, the worse it is for the surface. If the surface pores are full, the rubber cannot expand and shrink with temperatures and it starts to crack. That's also another reason why we want to have the pores open.